To assign a shader, we have to use material library and just connect this here. You can rename it as, and now we have to use the Solaris. So it will look like this. So let's select our camera, press D, dark background, and to assign shader we will use this, but before that it seems like it's not reading right camera. Okay, so it was something wrong. Okay, so to assign shader, first let's go inside, and here you can use principal shader. So let's start with slab. How do we assign it? To assign we have to go over here. So let's just type the name which we just renamed. So let's use slab. Now it's reading. And to assign on this geometry we have to go to assign to geometry, and we can just select this, click and drag. You can see it's changed, right? So let's go inside, and now we can make changes to it. So let's use Karma, and we can just quickly visualize this happening over here. It's reading the right color, but it's too bright, so let's reduce this, and I don't want that much bright. Yes, this looks fine, and reflectivity is too much, let's reduce that, and it's slightly in this, and it's looking very flat now, and I need some roughness on it. To add procedural noise on this we have to go to displacement tab and make sure you turn off this option. So it will add a true displacement which takes lots of time. So I think it's too much. Let's reduce it by 0.01. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go to 25. Let's increase the roughness. Okay, again it's too much. I think 2 to 5 is best. Yes, this will work. And you can see it's everything is loading over here, so it's hard to visualize sometimes. So what you can do, you can just go here and you can render to ampli, right? So it will just render it properly. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so let's close this, and now we will assign shader to our base. Let's use, and always rename your shader properly so you can read here, right? So let's use base, and you can see here, just sorry it's not visible here. Now let's go inside and active this Karma render. You can see we are getting nice reflection over here. Everything is fine. I need 111. So now you can see we are getting a reddish tone, and let's reduce roughness. I need sharp reflection on this, and reflectivity is too much. I need bit more. Yes, it looks nice. Cool. So next we will work on our chocolate. So let's start with layer 1. So for that we will use principal shader, and let's rename it as a cream. And also let's assign it first. It's cream, And if you go inside the chocolate, yeah, let's reduce roughness, and reflection is too much and 0.5. This looks nice. So now let's create second layer, which is pure chocolate. So give it a brown color. Yeah, I need bit roughness on this 0.75. Let's reduce the reflection bit. You can see there is like we are getting a really sharp reflection on this. And there is one more option you can, there is subsurface scattering. So if you want to, you can test it, and it will increase the rendering time. So I won't change it. So let's leave it default. And now let's move to third layer, which is topping. Let's assign it over here. Layer 3. Yeah. And I need a bit bright color on this. So let's use, yes. Yeah. And next we will see how to render this.